is Shraddha from RX India. I basically take care of the India Core exhibition.
Myself, Deepak Bora. I'm Director at Waka Trade Fairs, India Private Limited.
Satyendra Mehra. I'm the Group Director and Member of Management Board for Nürnberg Messe India.
My name is Rajnish Khattar and I'm Senior Group Director with Informa Markets.
Hi, this is Max Fernandez from Informa Markets.
Hi, I'm Rahul Deshpande, Senior Group Director, Informa Markets in India.
IPAMA Pranam. Myself, Jaiveer Singh, President IPAMA.
We are happy to be back here at India Expo Mart.
The experience has been really great. We've got very good visitors, very good exhibitors. Everybody is very happy.
Today we are at world's first exhibition on fan and fan technology, being hosted at India Expo Mart.
The infrastructure has been very nice over here. If you talk about the restrooms, the walking lobbies, and the entire ambience.
This is one of the best purpose-built venues we have seen in India. It's really easy to put up a show at this venue. We have the support of the entire staff and the facilities. The amazing facilities also includes a 128-room hotel within the venue, which makes it very convenient for us to operate.
And one more element which I don't want to miss, and it's so important, is the venue. The kind of support, the kind of cooperation, the collaboration what we have done with IML, India Expo Mart, is absolutely phenomenal.
What I've seen, we have received more visitors because, the accessibility has improved so much after the metro has come and the city is developing so much.
So our exhibitors were very happy. Our visitors were also very happy because the access is, once they reach IEML, the access is really easy and very convenient. And as an organizer, I can say this is the best facility we have ever experienced anywhere across India.
The team of IEML is very supportive. It was so cooperative.
Right from the days of setup, show days, and as we conclude the show today, the IEML staff has gone all out and beyond to make sure that this event is not only successful, but in also providing an amazing experience to all our exhibitors, visitors, and buyers.
I think this is a place where we have seen a show really growing rapidly. This year we have used the entire indoor capacity of this hall.
So there are many physical exhibition venues in and around, but the kind of support, the kind of hospitality, the kind of warmth we get here, it's difficult to imagine. So at times I really wonder whether they are venue team or it's a part of my extended family.
Actually, our journey with IML started in 2013. Till now we are together and hopefully we will be together. Our relationship is very strong and our next edition of the Print Pact in 2027 is going to happen here.
Challenges that we face are almost instantly met with and resolved. So it's always been a pleasure working with Team IEML.
Thank you so much, Team IEML.
So this is the kind of association and relationship what we have, and it makes us so privileged that we are executing our event in their venue, and I think I couldn't be more delighted and couldn't be more happier. Thank you very much.